Good morning, guys. This is the 5th of November. Remember the 5th of November, gunpowder treated and plot, all that crap. I'm heading down Craig's right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go now because I'm freezing and it's raining. So guys, so it's a lot later on. It's 12. It's just gone 12:30, and I'm heading home now to feed the dogs. I didn't vlog down Craig's because I'm going back later. So you know. I got to feed the dogs, clean up a little bit, and that's about it really. Come back down here, and there's going to be fireworks, there's going to be a massive fire, so I'm going to have so much vlog footage for you guys tonight, so I don't want to use too much of it now, because I want to put loads of footage, and I'm going to try and not edit this video at all, so the only time I edit is if, like, I don't know, like, the clips are too long or something. That's the only time I edit. So yeah, but I'm really excited because there's going to be fireworks and everything. I'm so excited. I love so much. Quick vlogging right now, but basically I'm down Craig's again, and look at the size of this thing we're burning tonight. That there, it's huge. Look. That massive pile I showed you. Whoa!
Oh god, I
fuck me.
I haven't shut my shed.
Oh well, those birds are gonna die. Oh, I'm with Craig as well, by the way.
Oh god, don't fly my wall.
Oh. Are they gonna light more, or is that it?
Sharon, it's all gonna go up.
The tree's caught.
Oh Sharon, I might have to go and knock my shed, stay here.
Okay. That's literally gonna explode. Guys, I'm really scared it's gonna explode. Because they said it's going to explode. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. What happened? God, there's someone by there.
Yeah, because someone they got a light in.
Great, that's lit enough.
If someone goes bang, it might go this way.
I know, that's why I really want to stand by.
Why are you scared?
Look!
Oh, shit.
Oh my
you get
god.
that banging?
Yeah, I don't like it. I'm scared. I want to live till tomorrow. Guys, I promised you I'd film this. Is this kind of huge? That's gonna explode, Craig. Oh my god. Craig, the tree's caught. Guys, look at all the bits flying in the air.
Everyone gets scared now, they start calling their kids.
I can feel the heat! I can feel the fucking heat! Oh my... Look at that little boy over there! Oh my god, I'm so warm! Guys, look at that! It's a freezing cold night and I'm actually boiling.
That's going to take like an hour to burn and be gone.
Yeah, and it's going to... Oh, Craig is coming towards us.
going?
I'm scared! Guys, look, it's literally above us.
Oh, it's pushing warm. At least I'm not. Oh my god.
Oh
that
no.
doesn't look good.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
That don't look good.
No, I don't. I'm not okay about this.
Oh god.
This is no longer safe. It's getting higher.
Hiking.
Where's your mum?
Huh?
Where's your mum?
Oh god, they're checking out on there. There's nothing now.
What if somebody gets burnt? Oh, this is so. The telly! The telly!
Shannon, where you going?
I'm scared!
I've never seen something like this before.
No! Not this big anyway, and not this close.
Oh shit, something explode.
Oh my god, guys! Guys, there's like a freak out over there. I'm so warm! Oh, really? Take the telly out. It's ruined the fun now.
Better than exploding though.
Yeah, but that's the fun part. Look at the tree!
Huh?
Look at the tree. I really hope we don't go towards his head because that's gone. the tree. Right there, guys.
No, see the branches? Sound like they've got
Yeah,
fire coming off.
I know.
Not that. The
What?
branch, the big bit, the tree that's sticking out. See the branches burning on
Oh,
fire?
shit.
Touch my mum. R.I.P. my birds.
That's not funny.
Look at that.
Oh, shit. I'm scared and excited at the same time. No, I'm like freaking out a little bit here. Guys, if you can see my face right now.
Oh, should I record your face? I should.
No! Guys, I'm so hot. Guys, if only you could see my face. I'm boiling. I'm in shock. I knew it was going to go a bit big. I wish that you could like see what it actually looks like. Cause... Oh, there you are. It looks like a triangle. Looks like a what? I gotta edit that out, yeah. Yo. I love how everyone's standing back there and we're by here.
Look at the people in front of us.
I know. If anyone gets burnt, they're gonna go first. It's catching the floor.
The grass starts burning and it comes down here. I'm serious.
Don't even say that.
Fire can't, you can't burn green.
You can't burn green.
No, green don't burn.
What?
Have you learned that?
No.
You can't burn green grass.
There's one going by here.
Green grass don't burn.
This is caught. Oh boy. Look how tiny it is now. Okay, decided to have a look round and there's one by here as well. This isn't as good as ours, but it's so cool how you do this around here. Where I used to live, guys, there's nothing like this. You'd be lucky if you've seen one firework. Fireworks are going off. Yo. Oh my god, that scared me!
Can't tell me these ones. Your mum's shitting herself, isn't she? Do you think? Do you think Jess and Chance are barking? Not bad. Dog's well back.
Is that ever going to stop? Try and make the noise.
Stuff's exploding. Look at them ones over there. Back.
Oh. It's still going, guys.
And this fireworks coming off over there.
Oh!
Oh, they're good ones, aren't they?
I got two in one here. Oh. Oh, that looks sick behind the tree. That looks sick behind the tree there. Guys, you come a tiny bit closer. Oh my god. I mean, that's just gold.
I want to trust their fireworks.
What, is that not our fireworks?
That's the boys. The boys that look like gangsters were there.
Oh god, that's not going to go well. Guys, those two that set off fireworks were walking out, they were it. And they're really close. Oh no, why is he so close? Oh shit. One.
Pick up the phone, tell everybody that you're not.
Guys, there's so much going on around here. My god, that's frightening the crap out of me. A stick just flew towards me. Damn.
Don't film me, Sean.
Why?
Can't play with.
Ah.
That's Margaret's.
Yep. Guys, that's what I was used to, and now I've come to this. Massive fire.
Oh, there's one over there too. This one's better though, Shannon.
Guys, look.
We haven't even lit theirs yet.
That, but no one's lit it yet. What's going on? Oh, whoa! Now that's a firework. Ooh!
Green. Oh, green. Oh,
Pink.
pink. Oh.
Oh.
5 seconds that was. Done, check.
Guys, I ran off another one. I don't know what this one is. Oh no, that's gonna go up. Oh.
It was a firework than that.
I literally would be a firework. Imagine all the fireworks, like, bits there's going to be left today.